Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that might seem simple, but it's a total game changer, especially if you're into martial arts or fitness. Ever heard of the horse stance? If not, don't worry, you're about to find out why mastering it could seriously level up your game. Whether you're looking to improve your strength, balance, or just want to get in touch with some deep rooted techniques, the horse stance is where it's at. In this video, I'm giving you the top 7 reasons why you should start practicing it right now. Let's jump in. First of all, how do you do it? Alright, before we get into all the awesome reasons why you should master the horse stance, let's talk about how to do it. And it's pretty simple, but trust me, you'll feel the burn if you hold it long enough. First things first, stand with your feet about double shoulder width apart. You're going to want to make sure your toes are pointing forward or slightly outward. Now bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting down into an invisible chair. Keep going until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Yep, you're going to feel that. Here's the key. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and chest open. Your weight should be evenly distributed between both feet. Your knees should never go past your toes. Hold your arms out in front of you like you're hugging a tree, or place them in fists at your waist if you want that traditional martial arts vibe. That's it. Hold a position as long as you can, aiming to get deeper into the stance over time. It's all about control and balance here. No rushing. You'll start to feel your legs burning pretty quickly, but that's a good thing. Now let's talk about the benefits. First is leg strength. Let's be real, holding the horse stance isn't exactly a walk in the park. It might look simple, but it works your legs like crazy. You're engaging a whole bunch of muscles from your hamstrings to your calves, and the more you practice, the stronger your legs get. Over time, you'll notice they become way more powerful. Plus, keeping those legs strong isn't just great for now. It's also going to help you out as you get older, keeping your muscles from withering away. So if you want legs that feel rock solid, this stance is your new best friend. Second is endurance. One of the biggest tests with the horse stance, endurance. Holding this position for more than a few seconds is no joke. It challenges you to stay low and steady without giving in to the burn in your legs. But here's the cool part. The more you practice, the longer you'll be able to maintain it. Over time, you'll notice you can hold a stance for way longer without feeling like you need to tap out. It's all about pushing your limits and building that mental and physical toughness. The third one is stability. The horse stance isn't just about leg strength. It's also a masterclass in stability. With that wide base, you're grounded and solid, which is super important in martial arts. When you're throwing punches or making quick movements, having a strong, stable foundation can make all the difference. Plus, the horse stance trains your body's proprioception, which means better balance and coordination overall. So whether you're in the ring or just moving through life, you'll feel more grounded and in control. Number 4 is core engagement. You might think the horse stance is not about the core, but guess what? Your core is getting a serious workout too. Keeping your torso upright while staying low in the stance forces your abs and lower back to engage. You're not just sitting there. Your core is working hard to keep you balanced and stable. And the more you practice, the stronger your core gets. So aside from building killer legs, you're also getting that core strength dialed in, which benefits everything from posture to overall strength. Fifth is flexibility. One of the hidden perks of the horse stance, it's great for improving your flexibility, especially in the hips. As you lower yourself into the stance, your knees naturally push outward, giving your inner thighs a solid stretch. Over time, this helps open your hips and improve your overall range of motion. So not only are you building strength, but you're also increasing flexibility, which is a win-win for anyone, whether you're into martial arts or just want to move more freely. Number 6 is heart health. Here's something you might not expect. The horse stance can even help your heart. When your leg muscles are strong, they actually assist your heart in pumping blood back up from your lower body. It's like giving your circulatory system a little boost. The stronger your legs are, the easier it is for your heart to keep things flowing smoothly, which is especially important for overall health. So while you're building up those powerful legs, you're also doing your heart a favor. Number 7 is glute strength. Yep, the horse stance doesn't just stop at your legs. It's also a sneaky way to work your glutes. As you lower yourself into the stance and hold it, your butt muscles are fully engaged, helping to stabilize your position. The more you practice, the more toned and strong your glutes become. So on top of building strong legs and a solid core, you're also giving your glutes a workout. It's a full lower body package. So there you have it, the top 7 reasons to master the horse stance now. From building strength and endurance to enhancing flexibility and supporting heart health. This simple stance packs a serious punch. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more tips, tricks, and workouts to keep you feeling your best. And hey, let us know in the comments how you're incorporating the horse stance into your routine. Thanks for watching and see you next time.